What is this? Yeah. Oh, nice, mate. Nice. What is that? So you spray these and then all the turtles show. Love them. Absolutely love them. Whoa, it is hot in Turkey today, or Hisaronu area. And now we're just leaving Downtown Junior. This is Sual, the owner. In the back is Gas Guy. Cheers. And I'm Dad Loves Food, so subscribe to YouTube, Dad Loves Food if you haven't already. And now we're going to leave Hisaronu and drive to Çalış Beach in Fethiye, which is it's another British holiday resort, but it's open 12 months of the year. Let's go and take a look at Çalış. Right, so we're now in Çalış, yeah? Yes, crazy Turkish drivers, crazy man.
Thank you so much for that.
Trendy, let's drop off some magazines. Right, so now we're in Trendy, having a little shop around. I have to look for the bigger sizes. He's now looking, he's like, Craig, 2XL. No, you've lost weight. I'm like, I haven't, mate. Too many kebabs, too many kebabs. But look at this shop. 1 second, mate. 2XL. Yeah. Perfect. How much are these tops?
28.
And these are the one-to-ones?
Yeah.
Perfect, mate.
I'll show you also, 1 second.
Honestly, in this shop, for the quality, the price are insane. Yeah, so look, he's scanning the badge. It comes up, the exact item on the Moncler website. So this original, how much would this one be? Original?
About $400. Look.
And your price? $400.
$420.
And how much in Trendy?
In Trendy, it's only cost £28.
We'll have him, we'll have him.
$420, same one. £28 in the Trendy.
Cheap, mate. Cheap.
Almost free.
Almost. Oh, white on white. Do you have a 2XL in that or not?
Should be having.
English are getting bigger. We are coming over here. We are eating more kebabs. We're getting bigger. We're getting 2XLs, 3XLs. What is that? And this is Trendy. So let me just quickly show you around the shop. We've got hoodies over this side. The hoodies that I wear at home, you'll see that I get them from Trendy. I've just got a pair of these shorts as well. Again, the quality in here, for me, it's the best in Çalış. Now they've got everything. They have bags through there. They have watches through there. I'll quickly show you. They've got kids stuff. They've got coats, jackets. And the shop is always immaculately clean. I got this last time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever been to Trendy in Çalış? Put it in the comments. Let me know. And if you are visiting Çalış, it's open 12 months of the year. It's not like Holidays, Hisaronu, Marmaris and Ishmael. That's only open 6-7 months. Here, Trendy is open 12 months of the year. And they also ship to the UK. So I'll give you my Christmas list now, or November.
You write me down. Let's go to the next one for the people.
Let's have a look, mate. The short selection. And how much are the shorts? They're naughty, them, aren't they?
£28.
They're like a pair of curtains in England. So you spray these and then all the turtles show. Love them. Absolutely love them. Mate, everything in here. I could feel the quality of every single short, t-shirts, hoodies. You've probably seen in my videos at home, every hoodie I wear is from this shop. Every hoodie. Moncler, Burberry.
Get another one also.
One more, mate, one more. Then they've got the magazine here, Sunny Holidays, which they're in, the contact details in there. Alright, mate.
They can come.
And then this is their watch section as well, where every single drawer is full of watches. Look at this, they're taking links out for people. They've got, this was the first place. Do you remember I got my, the top sunglasses? Do you remember them? What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, mate, nice. You have super clones in here?
Yeah, all the super clone, all the best one.
What is that?
Some like that we sell about like £850 with prices on it.
Oof!
People coming over here.
Well, that's the super clone.
Also, yeah, the super clone.
The numbers all match inside. The numbers match the certificate.
Also, the movement. This is, for example, we got like that one got 3285. The movement is inside. It is like copy of the proper mechanism. Some crazy hook loads, Richard Mille, and got some.
So this whole room was super clone.
Yeah. Only super clone on the briefcase.
That is nuts, mate. Listen, if you want to come and check this room out, first they have the standard watches out here, which you would call clone, 1-to-1, triple A.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they've got this room where you have the super clones. Mate, that is insane.
I know.
That he's like, I know. I need to spend more time in Çalış.
And for the ladies.
Ladies' bags on this side, and again these are the 1-to-1s.
All the best copy proper leather.
So this is the room that I never ever want to bring my wife. Never ever.
That's what you do.
So when we come to this shop, just keep me on that side. Never ever bring Rochelle here. And at Trendy, you will see, you know, you can go around everywhere and lots of places have similar stuff. Trendy has different, always has that extra few. Yeah, so I was saying about the glasses. Remember that one pair I got?
Yes.
And it was like, I think £100 or...
100 pound, you get it. You got the
So
deal actually. You got the good
I got a deal. 100 quid a pair of glasses. He's like, oh, you got a deal, mate. You got a deal. I didn't feel like I got a deal. And do you put all these online as well or no?
Yeah, we put them also on online.
And out the front, I can let my missus into this one. A bit cheaper, yeah? Perfect, mate. A little bit cheaper. Rochelle can come to this room.
It's like magnetic, so they'll put them inside.
Let me just show you exactly where we are so you know. This is the main strip in Trendy, the main road in Trendy down to the beach. There's Gasguy over there. There's Sualp from Downtown Junior. And Çalış Beach is just down there. Off here you've got bars, restaurants, other retail shops. But every time I come to Trendy. Right, let's quickly show one final time around the shop. Don't forget you can follow Trendy online. You can get in touch with them. They've got a WhatsApp number as well.
Yeah, WhatsApp number, Facebook.
And all the details for Trendy, let me show you. All the details are on here. But they're also in the magazine. You can download it online, sunnymarmaris.uk. You can download the Holidays magazine with Trendy inside it. Right next to the bit about Çalış Beach. Perfect, mate, love that. So I'm gonna total man up, get a pair of shorts, let's make some deals, and hopefully get, what was it, half price?
Almost free.
Check out Trendy in Çalış. Beautiful, surrounded by the mountains. That way will take you to Fethiye, and this is Çalış. So I've got some magazines with me. We're going to sit, enjoy your drink. There's a bit of a breeze today, but Çalış is open 12 months every year. This is Çalış beachfront. So you've got bars, restaurants all the way down the beachfront there. Bars and restaurants to the right, bars and restaurants to the left, and then you've got this main road again with more bars, restaurants and clothes shops. Everything you need in one small little place. I stayed in one of these hotels, I think it was called Nil Boutique, N-I-L Boutique. And really I should probably look a couple of nights in a few more of them, spend more time in Çalış, you know, find a bit more about the area. There's places to go in Fethiye, you know, once you're in the city centre, you've got everything.